Don't take if allergic to Nurtec. The most common side effects were nausea, stomach pain, and indigestion.
With Nurtec, I treat migraine. What's your way? Ask your doctor about Nurtec to find out.
Good things come to those who work. So let's get to work. Let's get paid.
Let's go get this money, man.
Not later. Now. So what are you waiting for? Pick up, drop off, cash out, dash now, or dash.
All rights to a lifetime concert event. Bruce Springsteen, Jennifer Hudson, Cynthia Erivo, Carly Santana, Patti Smith, Paul Simon, Elvis Costello, Barry Manilow, David Meyer, LL Cool J, Journey, The Killers, Wyclef Jean, Kenny Babyface Edmonds. This is gonna be huge. New York City, a homecoming concert next Saturday starting live exclusively on CNN. Presented by Expedia.
Stop in for summer bonus days at Gulfport